Hello, this is Dr. Behnam. I'm a board-certified dermatologist and I work in Santa Monica, California. And I specialize in doing PRPs and stem cells. So today I'm going to talk about a case study of a young gentleman who came in for hair loss and we did PRP on him. So he's a 21-year-old gentleman. He had done PRP in the past, and the first thing he said is like, "Doc, PRP does not work." I'm like, okay, I understand. You didn't have a good experience. So we decided to do one session on him. So this is how he looked before. So he was really thinning out right here in the front. And I typically have my patients do it twice. We do a 60 ml PRP. That means we draw 60 cc of blood, and we do it about a month apart. So, and this is him a month later when he came back for his second session. So see, that entire area in the front has really filled up quite a bit. He was very happy by the time basically he got in for the second session. Typically this result is probably going to last anywhere from 6, 9 to 12 months, and he's probably going to come back and do another session. And he was very excited, and his question was, well, how come it didn't work the first time? The answer is basically a lot has to do with the technique. Every doctor does it very differently, and we do it very differently as well. But again, this is a young gentleman who had one session of PRP and who had very good results. Thank you.